Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Today, working with our stablemate PKN Packaging News at AUSPACK 2022. I'm currently at the Foodmach stand with Earle Roberts. Earle, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well.
Excited to be back?
Yes. Meeting people. There's a lot happening on your stand. There's lights, there's action. Let's have a little walk around and you talk us through it.
So we're exhibiting our new wraparound case packer. So this is the second of our new machines. This one's going into a big winery up in northern Victoria. So we're running wine casks up to 25 cases per minute. So this is new design and build out of our plant in Echuca.
Right.
Very high hygiene standards, full stainless steel, changeover times in less than 10 minutes, and had a huge amount of interest from customers. We're obviously well known for depalletizers and palletizers and conveyors, but client base is excited to see us moving into the case packing space as well.
Right. And then what happens? Things obviously come through here.
Yeah, so completed boxes come out. We've then got a print and apply labeler from Mark and Homage. So we print and apply the label onto the case, and then it enters the robot palletizing cell. So this is a fairly basic application, simple vacuum pick and place, but it's got some highly specialised, internally written programming software. So basically it's like playing Tetris with cases. The customer can input their case dimensions. We can either auto-generate a pattern for them, or they can generate their own just by sliding the graphic around on the screen, and then it automatically writes all the robot code and sends that to the robot. So cases that need to be changed because there's a bit of variability, the operators can do that themselves instead of having to get our programmers to do the work for them.
And one of the things that really differentiates Foodmach from your competitors is the fact that you have your plant in Echuca and that you're building a lot of this stuff here.
Correct, yeah. So I guess we're a bit unusual in that we're vertically integrated. We've just spent another $500,000 putting another laser cutter into the facility. We do most of our machining in-house. We've got a big team for mechanical, electrical, 10 software engineers, and really during COVID, the fact that we controlled our supply chain gave us a lot of surety around supply. So we weren't dependent on stuff coming in from overseas. We weren't dependent on outside contractors doing machining for us. So it allowed us to really control both quality and more importantly, timeline.
Yeah. What have we got over here?
So this is a new partner for us, a company from Spain called Menjibar. Very specialised filler company. They work with products that are too difficult to handle for most people in the market. So we've just put 3 of these into BWX down at Clayton, running the Sukin and Andalou ranges of shampoos and body washes and that sort of thing. So they work mainly in household and personal care, so with high viscosity products, with high foaming products, and you'll see from the samples that they have on the stand some very tricky closures with trigger packs, pump packs, dip tubes. So we've had great success with them so far. Beautifully made equipment, as you can see. Yeah,
it is. It's really impressive.
Yep.
And talk to me about
line as a machine.
Line as a machine.
Okay, so I guess we've seen the case packing, we've seen the palletizing, the fillers. We've got PE labelers here from Italy that we work with. And we've done a lot of development work over the last 10 years in terms of our line control software. And what it allows us to do is work with best-in-breed manufacturers from different parts of the world, but provide the client with a integrated line, single overview control system, gives them all their OEE reporting data, allows them to take orders out of their ERP system, automatically cascade it down to the machines, ensures that all the right data is in the filler or the labeler, that the right codes are going on, even to the point where they can have a barcode scanner and scan a box of labels and validate that they've got the right labels before they start production, so you don't make 10,000 bottles of wine with the wrong label on it. So line as a machine is really about taking that whole turnkey approach, us taking responsibility for the supply, the install, the commissioning, the warranty, and providing the client with metrics on how the line's performing, where there's areas for improvement.
Yeah.
So it's a complete turnkey offer, but you get to choose best in breed.
Yeah. Absolutely, just absolutely fantastic, and such a progression for companies who are now looking for not just efficiencies, but also in terms of wastage and reducing those risks of producing thousands of bottles of something with the wrong label.
Yeah.
Look, it's such a fantastic stand. There's just
Thank you.
It's and it's great to be back, isn't it?
It is great to be back. I think it's my 13th AUSPACK, and
Oh,
I think it'll be the
13.
best one yet.
It's
so
my first.
There we go.
Yeah,
All
look
right.
at that. I've so much to learn.
Come and see me in 25 years.
Oh, thanks, Earle.
Thank you.